Ayan na, tinanong na si Mr. President kung mag-a-undergo ba daw siya ng hair follicle drug test. At ito ang sagot niya.
Rodriguez again called on you to undergo a hair follicle test, citing the constitutional principle that public office is a public trust. What do you say to this, Mr. President?
No.
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 Why should I do that? You don't see, what you say, public trust, public office, public has nothing to do with the follicle test.
Oh.
There's no
Ano
wala namang connection ng sinasabi
Anong connection? Ha? Tinatanong mo anong connection? Mr. President, kung nagdodroga ka, hindi ka makakaisip ng maayos. At ikaw ay presidente ng Pilipinas, once and for all, tuldukan mo ang issue kung talagang nagdodroga ka or hindi. Pero yung sagot niya mga lods, no, no. Pikon ka na. Napipikon na siya eh. Kasi malapit na siyang nako-corner sila sa mga ganyang tanong. Pansinin niyo mga lods. And galing pa yun kay Attorney Vic Rodriguez. Eh di ba si Attorney Vic Rodriguez is malapit dati kay PBBM? May something wrong talaga. Kasi bakit yan ipipilit ni Attorney Vic? Nako naman, Mr. President.